Tired of your photos looking meh? Let's transform you from a point-and-shoot novice into a confident Canon Eos R100 photographer in just 90 seconds. First, let's power up. Slide the power switch to on now. The mode dial on top is your gateway to different shooting styles. Scene Intelligent Auto is your best friend for everyday shooting while the camera handles everything. For more control, try Program A, where you adjust settings like ISO while the camera takes the aperture and shutter speed. Press the Q button to access the quick control menu. Here you can easily adjust ISO for brighter or darker images, white balance for accurate colors, and picture style to fine-tune the look of your photos. To take a photo, gently press the shutter button halfway to focus. Once focused, press it all the way down to capture the image. Want to shoot video? Simply press the red movie recording button. Press it again to stop recording. It's that easy. Explore the special scene mode for optimized settings for specific situations like portraits, landscapes, or close-ups. Feeling creative? Dive into Creative Assist for easy-to-understand sliders that let you adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation for personalized results. And that's it. You've now got the basics to unlock the full potential of your Canon Eos R100, so grab your camera and start exploring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography tips and tricks.